Back in the greenhouse today. I'm moving them out today for good. They came back in. If you saw my earlier video, I don't think I told you guys, but I brought them back inside. It was too cold. And we're going to try now in the greenhouse. Currently in the greenhouse it's 90 degrees. The exhaust fan's running. We got 40 to 45 degree coming up for a couple nights, and then hopefully it should be warm. Howdy guys. Enjoying some soup here. Look at these tulips. Tulips are popping. Got some irises right there. A couple daylilies coming in there. Got another tulip right there that hasn't popped. Howdy guys. Getting some things kicking today. I'm gonna take some of this wood here. I'm gonna set up a bed inside the house. I'm gonna try out the lawnmower. Probably show you a little bit something we got going on around here. Look at that hydrangea there. We put that in. That thing's coming up real good. These blue flowers around these rocks. Got that tulip. It's coming in nice. That other one coming in good. Got strawberries all through here. Dog. Some strawberries poking set up right there. Look at that guy. Can't see it, but it's right there. Yep. Some more strawberries over here. These ones are coming in good. And the grapevine. Oh, look at that thing. Doing terrific. Doing terrific. The raspberries here are coming in nicely. Oh yeah. What are you doing? Oh, hush, hush, hush. Hush. Ran her dry last year. This is the second year. Second year with this here Troy built. Hung that there second hammock up there. Yeah, that's nice. Real low. Got a good ramp into it now. Lila's kiddie pool.